still be here.
This is the current progress of my apartment. As you can see, I got rid of the dresser that was chilling there, got rid of the table, and I kept this armoire. I left my laundry hamper over here, and I have this open space because I moved the vanity and the little side table thing over here. Eventually, I'm gonna get rid of these, but I haven't had the chance to go to IKEA yet, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I do that. My fridge and washing machine are all still here. I put up my BTS calendar. I have this suitcase just up here because I'm actually going to throw this out or somehow like dispose of it because it's broken. I put the side table here. I'm eventually gonna get a different side table. I got this super cute clock from Daiso. It was like $5. The bed is here, and then I have my tripod and ring light just in the corners. This is what the room looks like. I like this setup a lot more, and I feel like I have more space now.
I'm not happy, but I'm not sad. Flux of emotions, my head's spinning now. I've been thinking too much. I got time on my hands. Need to escape reality for the sake of myself. I'm kinda stuck down on my luck. Don't know what it is, but I'm in a funk. Staring at the wall, can't shake what I'm feeling at all. I don't wanna have to find ways to distract myself. Won't drink it away or smoke like a wreck. I'm not gonna find myself in somebody else's bed. I'm trying to figure out how to find happiness. I'm stuck in my head. Oh, how will
I ended up going to Daiso again today to get more stuff. I have a problem, but it's fine because I'm trying to make this apartment feel cozy and at home. I wanted to go back out and get a couple more things. I got this super cute basket thing. I'm just gonna put all of my chargers and such in here. I got 2 of these wire baskets that I'm going to put on the wire grid thing that I bought yesterday. I got some clothespins for the wire grid again. I ended up getting more hooks because I used all of the ones that I bought yesterday. And then I got some more hooks. These go on the wire grids. And then I got 2 of these like wooden crate things. I'm going to stack them on top of each other and make them into like a side table. I'm going to DIY that. So I ended up buying 2 things of white acrylic paint. Got this cute wire basket, and I'm going to store my hot tools in here. And then lastly, I picked up this plastic cart, and I'm gonna put this in the bathroom and just put like my products and stuff in there, and then I can just move it around when I'm showering.
you wouldn't have to do me like you did. You wouldn't have to play those silly games. Sometimes feelings don't stay the same. It's not too much to ask for and even exchange. Things change. 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 I know we haven't talked, I'm paranoid.
Hey guys, I just got back from E-Mart and I bought a couple things for my apartment like usual, and that was a struggle because I had to take the bus, and I have 3 kind of big-ish bags. This one's a box. I was struggling on the bus and it was warm today, like, so I'm like sweating, but I'm going to show you guys what I got and then put everything together. I got a clothing rack and I think this was 20 bucks. Then I ended up picking up some wooden hangers to put on the clothing rack because I feel like that would be really nice. So I just got this 10 pack, and then I got this 3 pack of the hangers with the clips on it. And lastly, I got a throw blanket. This is a Loving Home knit fur blanket in ivory, and I feel like once I just toss this on my bed, it will pretty much bring together the entire look. I still want to get more pillows, but I think I'm just gonna get those from IKEA whenever I'm able to go. So yeah, that's my little haul from Emart.
All these pretty girls only wanna be the same though, saying that they love me, but it always ends up painful. You see it, I see it, it's why I'm loving you. It's why I'm loving you.
So I put some clothes on the hangers just as like a sample. I'm gonna leave them on here for now. And then I put my reusable bags on the little hook here. And then on the other side, I have my fanny pack and my 2 other purses. On the bottom, I put some shoes. So I have like my sandals, my sock boots, and then my thigh highs. And then this is the bed. This blanket kind of ties it a little bit more together, but I just need to get 2 more pillows, and I'm just gonna get plain white pillowcases. So I went to IKEA today, and it was literally the most stressful experience I've ever had at an IKEA, and there was no social distancing whatsoever. So I kind of just wanted to leave IKEA as soon as possible. So I didn't really vlog in there, but I wanted to show you guys what I got because I got quite a bit for the apartment. First, I got 2 more pillows. These are the high firm pillows. I think these were about $5 each. I got these magazine file things. This is the name of them, and these are just gonna go on the bookshelf that I purchased. I got 3 of these little plastic container thingies with lids. I'm going to put them on my coffee table that I got. 3 pack of fake succulents, and then I got a eucalyptus plant. I wanted one that like hung kind of like this. I got this cute basket thing. I got 2 sets of coasters. I got extra pillowcases. These were like $5. And then I got this duvet cover set. I wanted to have 2 so that I could switch out when I have to do like laundry and stuff. And I got this mini bamboo tray. And then I got 3 big furniture pieces. This is the bookshelf I bought. I got it in the white color. And then I got this cart in the white. And then this is the table that I got. I'm pretty sure it's actually a bench because when I looked it up on IKEA, it said bench, but I'm using it as a table, so I don't really care.
If I got a glimpse, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. But it gets so hard. Distance. I know it's hard for everyone to understand it, but you're
rug from G Market just came in. I'm gonna put it underneath this table right here.
It's so what I've been
This is what the rug just looks like. I definitely could have gotten a bigger rug, but it looks fine. I just need to get a couple more floor cushions to go around the table, and then that should be good.
Distance, clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase, baby.
I finally finished furnishing my apartment and getting it to a setup that I really like. I think that it's very cozy in here, and I think it's very me. So before I show you guys the actual finished product, I wanted to talk to you really quickly about this glasses company. TIJN Eyewear actually sent me 2 pairs of glasses. The first pair is the pair that I'm wearing today. These ones are prescription glasses, and they are blue light lenses. I have very bad eyesight. These are nice because with the blue light lenses, it helps protect my eyes against strain from phone screens, laptops. They have so many different styles on their website. And then they also sent me a pair of sunglasses. They are of a similar frame shape, but these ones are not prescription. They also came in these really nice glasses cases. So this is the sunglasses case, and then my prescription glasses came in this nice faux leather black case. If you want to check them out, I will leave their link in the description. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I really thought that you should check out their glasses if you are in need. They are pretty affordable. And thank you TIJN Eyewear for sending me these glasses. I love them.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back.